Welcome to Ark Prefab, where innovation meets excellence in the world of modular construction. And buckle up, because we'll fly you around our facilities to show you how we do it. First, we unload the raw materials, ensuring each unit meets the highest standards. From here, steel and aluminum are transformed into the building blocks of your future project. Next, you guessed it, lasers. From intricate designs to complex shapes, our advanced laser cutting machines shape each component with minimal waste. Then our compact folding machines take over, building and forming material with absolute precision. Every angle, every curve, perfectly executed. And for those crucial corner posts, our specialized corner bending machine assures impeccable accuracy, creating the sturdy framework for our modular marvels. Although humans play an important part in our process, now comes the really exciting part. Powered by robotics and data analytics, our intelligent manufacturing system optimizes every step of the process. These robots perform seamless welds, guaranteeing the durability and integrity of every component. They tackle tight spaces with ease, making the impossible possible, and without taking a lunch break. That's what sets us apart. We embrace the twists and turns of our industry, turning challenges into opportunities for innovation, which is why Ark Prefab is your one-stop solution for flat packs. Our floor and roof assembly line makes sure each piece fits together perfectly, like a giant life-sized puzzle. Next up, insulation. For floor insulation, our go-to is rock wool. Made from natural stone, it provides superior thermal resistance, plus it's recyclable and eco-friendly. And we don't just talk about being green. Sustainability is a cornerstone of our business, prioritizing solar energy with 100% recyclable materials. Okay, back to the show. Did you know our partnering facility crafts our rock wool panels in-house? It's true. The rock wool is literally formed from molten lava, then spun into fibers and bound together. From there, the panels are cured, cut, and sized to fit your specific needs. We continue to lead the way with pioneering techniques. ISO 9001 certified, we have the lowest emission rates in the world of modular construction. Committed to improving our processes, we've recently introduced greater automation with our machine-controlled powder coating line. Yet with every layer and every coat, perfection is our promise. Boasting one of the largest production capacity in the Far East, combined with our cutting-edge automation, it's no wonder we manufacture 2,000 cabins a month. And that success hinges on our commitment to quality. Using SAP and a sophisticated barcode system that tracks our products, we've streamlined our operations, improving efficiency and quality control. Certified by TÜV and CE, we not only meet standards, we set them. Finally, our storage yard, where finished modular kits are carefully organized and sealed, ready for shipment. At Ark Prefab, we don't just build structures, we build dreams. Together, let's create something extraordinary.